counter affidavits stating that they came on the wrong side of the law, and we take steps to bring to the attention of the court the relevant provisions of the law that suggest that this charge is well-founded and it is filed appropriately and filed at the right place and in accordance with the extant rule and the law that guides the procedure of this honorable court. And we hope and believe this is one offense that is captured in the open space. It's proven all the counts in this charge requires no any effort. It is one charge that within the twinkle of an eye, if the trial is allowed to continue, it will be concluded within record time. And we are optimistic that this honorable court will do justice. And like I always say, this is just one of the several antics employed to delay criminal trial in Nigeria. But for this, we're ever ready to actually showcase that our criminal justice system is effectively working well. Time shall tell.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Give us an insight into
Yes,
on the issues of
yes, in 2015, when the trial first started, NNAMDIKANU's glasses were seized, and they are still with the DSS. Till date, he has no glasses. So when he now ran abroad for his jail life, when the military invaded his home at Afaraoku, Ibeko, Umuahia in Abia State on the 14th of September 2017, he escaped by the whiskers of his hair. Through, he was just lucky. Don't forget that on that day, 28 unarmed civilians, innocent civilians, were gruesomely murdered. So he escaped. And that's the person you are saying jump bail. What you jump bail when instead of coming to court for trial, you voluntarily escape. But when you escape, when you run away from death, that cannot be jumping bail. NNAMDIKANU would have died. So when he now went to London, where he's also a British citizen, he had another glass, which again was sealed on him and broken when he was captured in Kenya, like a common criminal, and forcefully renditioned to Nigeria. So today he has no glasses to use. So the court now has ordered the DSS to ensure that he gets his glasses. I want to emphasize Lamentations 3:37. Who is it that speaketh and it cometh to pass if God has not commanded it? I want to again put forward Genesis 18:15, which is replicated in Jeremiah 32:27. Behold, I am the God of all flesh. Is there anything too hard for me? We have handed over this case to God, and God, that same God who parted the Red Sea for the Israelites to pass through and close it against Pharaoh and his Egyptian terrorists, is still alive, healthy, and well on the throne.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.